Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients that I'm going to use for my pasta salad. I'm going to start with these noodles, which are vegan, gluten-free, low glycemic, and 20 grams of protein. I have a can of garbanzo beans, which I'm going to rinse off and set to the side. I've chopped up my cucumbers, my green onions. I've taken the cherry tomatoes and cut those in half. I also have chayote that I've chopped up. I have those noodles that are done and delicious, some feta cheese that I have to the side, some fresh broccoli that I am letting cool off, as well as some olives that I'm going to rinse off, get some of that oil and salt. And the dressing is going to be Italian dressing. Doesn't this look beautiful? For that entire meal, I used about this much Italian dressing. So stay tuned for the ingredients as well as the caloric content.